Finn the grumpy little fox. Finn the Fox Cub was, to put it mildly, a little grumpy. But not just regular grumpy. Finn's grumpiness was a full-blown storm. His bright orange fur would darken to a moody shade of rust, his little tail would puff up like an angry squirrel, and his sharp ears would twitch like tiny lightning rods. And his growl, oh, his growl, was not the playful yip of other cubs. It was a tiny but terrifying "arr" that made even the boldest badger scurry away. Everything seemed to annoy Finn. If the sun was too bright, he'd huff. If the rain was too wet, he'd grumble. If his mama served him carrots for breakfast, oh, that was the worst. One crisp morning, all the little forest animals were playing a game of follow the leader. Ollie the otter was leading, leaping across the river, spinning in circles, and wiggling his tail. Everyone giggled, except Finn. Ollie flipped a little too close to Finn's favorite resting spot, which, coincidentally, was everywhere. Arr! Finn barked. His fur fluffed up like a startled porcupine. That's my napping log. No playing near it. Ollie, startled, nearly slipped into the water. But Finn, he stammered, we're just having fun. Fun is for, Finn started, but he was too grumpy to even finish his sentence. The other animals, Luna the bunny, Theo the turtle, and Pip the hedgehog, looked at each other, their smiles fading. They really liked Finn, but his temper made it hard to be around him. Maybe we should play something else, Theo whispered, his little head tucking into his shell. Yeah, Luna agreed, her ears drooping. Finn saw their sad faces and felt a strange, uncomfortable twist in his chest. It wasn't anger. It was something different. And he didn't like it. Later that day, Finn's papa, a wise old fox, sat beside him. Why the long face, little flame? Papa Fox asked. Finn mumbled. Nobody wants to play with me. And why do you think that is? Papa asked gently. Finn kicked at a leaf. Because I get mad. Papa Fox nodded. Yes, Finn. And when you get mad, it frightens your friends. It even frightens you, doesn't it? Finn's ears twitched. It does. Think about it, Papa Fox said. When you're angry, your heart races, your fur gets hot, and you feel all tight inside, right? Finn nodded. Like a storm about to explode. Exactly. Papa Fox smiled. And storms need a way to calm down, or else they'll blow everything over. But how? Finn asked, his voice small. Papa Fox chuckled. I've learned a trick from Theo the turtle. He calls it turtle breaths. Wanna try? Finn, desperate to control his fiery temper, nodded. First, take a deep breath, like you're sniffing a big, juicy apple. Papa inhaled deeply, his chest rising. Now, breathe out slowly, like you're blowing on a dandelion to make a wish. Finn copied him, breathing in the crisp forest air. Then he exhaled softly, imagining fluffy dandelion seeds floating away. It felt different. He still felt a little mad, but the anger wasn't as big, as wild, as stormy. Now, Papa Fox continued, when you feel anger creeping up, you can also count to 10 slowly. This gives your brain time to catch up with your feelings. Finn practiced every day. It wasn't easy. Sometimes the anger still bubbled up like a stubborn volcano. But he kept trying. One day, Ollie accidentally splashed a little water near Finn's favorite log. Finn felt the heat rising, the storm brewing inside. But this time, instead of growling, Finn took a deep breath, counting to 10 in his head. And instead of roaring, he said, Ollie, could you splash a little further away, please? Ollie's eyes widened in surprise, but he smiled. Sure, Finn. Finn felt something warm inside, not anger, but something better. From that day on, Finn still got mad sometimes. Everyone does. But he learned to breathe, count, and talk instead of growling. And, to his surprise, laughing with friends was much more fun than being grumpy alone.
Finn the Fox was grumpy all day, huffing and puffing, chasing friends away. But Papa said, let's count just fun and smiles, heart so light. Breathe in slow, blow it out. Watch the storm clouds fade about. Laugh and play, don't let it stay. Let the sunshine light your way. Breathe in slow, blow it out. Watch the storm clouds fade about. Laugh and play, don't let it stay. Let the sunshine light your way. Finn has learned to stay so bright. Now his heart feels warm and